Hello everybody, I wish all of you happy Lakshmi Puja. Today we are going to discuss some general knowledge on goddess Lakshmi. Then let's start question answers. Here first question is, what is Lakshmi? Option A, goddess of wealth. Option B, goddess of prosperity. Option C, goddess of fortune. Option D, all above. Here answer is all above. Then next question. The word Lakshmi is derived from which of the following language? Option A, Sanskrit. Option B, Hindi. Option C, Bangla. Option D, Tamil. Here answer is Sanskrit. Then next question. When Lakshmi Puja is celebrated? Option A, Sharad Purnima. Option B, Diwali. Option C, both. Option D, none of the above. Here answer is both. Then next question. Which flower is related with goddess Lakshmi? Option A, marigold. Option B, lily. Option C, lotus. Option D, jasmine. Here answer is lotus. Then next question. Which bird is related with goddess Lakshmi? Option A, dove. Option B, parrot. Option C, sparrow. Option D, owl. Here answer is owl. Then next question. Who is the mother of goddess Lakshmi? Option A, goddess Durga. Option B, goddess Kali. Option C, goddess Parvati. Option D, none of the above. Here answer is goddess Durga. Then next question. Who is the husband of goddess Lakshmi? Option A, Lord Vishnu. Option B, Lord Indra. Option C, Lord Ganesh. Option D, Lord Brahma. Here answer is Lord Vishnu. Then next question. How many children does goddess Lakshmi have? Option A, 2 children. Option B, 3 children. Option C, many children. Option D, no children. Here answer is no children. Thank you for watching. See you again.